Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to customize the market tabs in the investing.com mobile app. This feature allows you to personalize the markets you follow, putting the most important ones at the top. Let's go. Step 1. Open the investing.com app on your mobile phone. Step 2. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on More. This will open the main menu with additional options. Step 3. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the Settings icon. Step 4. In the Settings list, choose Customize Market Tabs. Step 5. You'll now see a list of available market tabs. Find the market tab you want to prioritize. Step 6. Tap and hold the market you want to move. Then drag it up to rearrange the order. Repeat the process for any other market tabs you want to adjust. Once finished, click on Save at top right corner and reflect it in your main market view. And that's how you easily customize market tabs in the investing.com app. Personalizing your market list helps you stay focused on what matters. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.